The long and twisted case of Pam Hupp takes yet another unusual turn.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
The 64-year-old is awaiting trial for the murder of her friend Betsy Faria, a crime for which Faria's husband was originally convicted. Tonight, the I-Team's Christine Byers brings us the latest developments in this anything but usual case.
Pam Hupp has waived her right to a preliminary hearing in her trial for the murder of Betsy Faria. It's a relatively small development in court, which is gaining a lot of attention from Betsy's husband's legal team.
It's puzzling.
Joel Schwartz represented Russ Faria, who was originally charged with his wife's murder in 2001. He has always believed Hupp was the killer and eventually got Russ Faria's conviction overturned.
If you were Pam Hupp's attorney, would you advise her to waive her right to a preliminary hearing in this case?
I believe that her attorney is at least well versed in the law and understands what they are doing. However, I can't come up with a reason in a death penalty case why somebody in this particular situation would waive their right to a preliminary hearing.
In July 2021, Hupp was charged with Betsy Faria's murder and accused of framing Schwartz's client, Russ Faria, for the crime.
What was your reaction when you found out she waived her right to a preliminary hearing in this case?
I thought it was a mistake. Well, you would want to see as much as you can how evidence comes in, how witnesses present themselves, what a prosecutor might be attempting to argue in front of a jury. It essentially gives you, as you stated, a bit of a preview into what the evidence may or may not be.
Lincoln County Prosecutor Mike Wood said he could not comment on the pending case, and Hupp's public defender did not return a phone call seeking comment. Hupp is scheduled for an arraignment October 28th. Schwartz says he will be watching.
It's not without its challenges in that the initial investigation was so poorly done regarding Pam Hupp that it's difficult to recreate what there might have been had the investigation been done appropriately right at the start of Betsy Faria's death.
Hupp's attorneys also asked for a new judge, which is her right. We also spoke to the prosecutor who initially got Russ convicted. For her perspective on these developments, check out my story on KSDK.com.